Here at Mike's Auto Clinic in Nampa, Idaho, we offer many services to help keep you and your car happy. Today we'd like to walk you through one of those services. We'll be demonstrating our BG Coolant exchange on this Nissan Maxima. What this bottle will do is help break down any buildups or flush out any gunk that has become trapped in your car's cooling system. So first we'll add in the whole bottle of BG additive, and then we'll run the car so that it gets up to temperature and allows the additive to circulate properly through the whole system. After the car is up to temp, it's time to get the car up in the air so we can go ahead and drain the entire cooling system. Oops. Now that the cooling system is drained, we can begin removing the coolant hoses. It's a good idea to replace these in older cars if you haven't already done so. As you can see, they can get a little bit crusty. Out with the old and in with the new. Just a couple body clips and we'll be able to remove the lower radiator hose and install the new one. Now that we have all of our new hoses in, we can begin to refill the cooling system with fresh coolant. This tool allows us to effortlessly keep air out of the system while refilling, which is crucial. Now it's time to add in our BG added refrigerant. This will help keep your system clean and running cool. And that's it. We put the radiator cap back on and take it for a test drive. Thanks for watching, and we hope you learned something today.